my channel. So today I'm gonna do a house tour because someone requested it, or someone suggested it, so I'm gonna do it today. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I will start here. So this is our main door. So once you enter the apartment, so this is what you will see. Okay, so when you enter, you will already see our living room. So this is a small apartment, 1-bedroom apartment in Waikiki area. So okay, so when you turn to the right, you will see our dining table. So we have this pillow here because my husband used it, because this is where he spends most of his time when he's here. That's his book, so that's his laptop, so you know, so he uses this one. So and then we have a little cabinet here, and on the left side you will see our kitchen, a small kitchen. We have the fridge here, that's the sink, and then here's the stove and oven. So I just made this what you call it, peach mango pie. So I tried to fry it yesterday, so now I want to try what it looks like when you bake it. So there you go. This is our kitchen. We have a small kitchen. This is our Keurig. So dad-in-law bought this for us. We have the coffee maker, we have these, and you know, just like a small kitchen counter. So this is we have snacks here, and then these are all my vitamins, whatever, and chocolates from mom. So, and then when you proceed, you will see our living room area. So on this side, this is our printer, so we print documents whenever we need it. We have a small display thing here, or like more storage. And then this is our TV rack. This actually an old TV rack, so like from previous tenants here, so we're still using it. And then this TV, so this is brand new because my brother-in-law bought this for us, like Christmas gift, whatever. And on top of it, like all the souvenirs and family photos and that design. So I have this collection. So these are from my husband. So he always, it was all started 2017 when he decided to give me one nutcracker per year. And so 2017, 2018, and 2019 recently. This is Scotland inspired because we went to Scotland. So, and then he made this just for fun. It's a Lego thing, and a Stonehenge souvenir. And we have this handmade boat from the Marshall Islands, and we have more ukuleles there, and we have another one there. So I just want to like show you, we have 2 leis here. So these leis were like almost 4 years old. So it's a tradition here in Hawaii, like when you get married, the couple will give each other a lei. So this is my husband's lei, and this is my lei. There you go. Okay, so I just put my laptop there, whatever. So this is our balcony. So when you go out, just like this, so the wind always blow this chair. So I'm gonna fix it. So we have the swivel chair here. We have our table, and so because it's too windy most of the time, so we put my plants, you know, to protect this table. And I have more plants here. These are my cactuses. I use this bottle to water my plants, because you know I don't what you call that, recycled bottle, you know, so I use that to water my plants. This is my aloe vera. Look at my aloe vera, OMG. And then I have more here. I actually transferred this from here, so I have now my garlic. See my garlic, and I'm so happy to see my tomatoes. They are growing now. They are growing. This area, so this area now is my office fish tank. I brought it home, and here's my fish. I put him here for the meantime because I'm doing this cycle, whatever. And then we have another fish tank here. You know, look at our fish over there. You see it? Yep, that's our fish. It's just big. Okay, so that's our area here. Our living room, our dining room, our kitchen. So let's proceed to our bedroom. Okay, here's our bedroom. This is like a one bedroom apartment. So this is our bed. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera. This is our bed, and then that's my workstation right now. And I have so many stuff here, you know, my jewelry stuff, my beads, etc. And you know, so this is my work. I have my sewing machine, so whenever I feel like, you know, I want to do something, I use my sewing machine. I also have a serger. It's in the cabinet. So here's our cabinet, our closet. I'm not gonna show you that because before I actually had the previous vlog in my other channel that I did decluttering. So those clothes there, I have to alter them based on my husband, what you call that, preference, you know, because he wants this to be a little bit shorter, so I have to alter him this and this one, you know. Okay, so that's that. And I have you know, all my stuff in here, you know, my makeup stuff, etc. So that's where I put that. I have those. I actually brought this from the Philippines when I got here because I wanted them to come with me. So they're so beautiful, right? So every night I turn I light the candles every night. So, and then we have this side table here where where our shoes, where my husband's books are, you know. So there, that's an old side table. So that's that. And then in the bedroom is where our toilet is. So this is our bathroom. It's a small one. We have a bathtub, but we're not using it because it's not nice to use it. It's dirty. This is super old building and apartment that needs to be renovated. So there you go. It's just like that. So like all our meds here, all our stuff in here. There you go, there. So just like this. It's a small one, and we have the cover. We just bought that recently and we like the color. That's why we didn't want a white one, so just for a change we use that like a wood thing, you know. So like when you turn this on, it's like that, you know. So there you go, guys. That's our what do you call it, house tour. It's a small one, but who knows, maybe someday we'll get our own house, because here in Hawaii it's expensive to get a house. So we don't know yet, but maybe when we go to the mainland we're able to get our own house, because here it's like super expensive. Okay, just to give you an idea, a 4-bedroom house here like let's say 2-story 4-bedroom house, it costs $745,000. Not peso, but dollars. So convert that into peso, it's a lot. But like when you go to the mainland, let's say Florida, and you want to get like a bigger house there, you can get at least like 200. It depends on the area or what city like that, but it's way cheaper in the mainland to get a house. It depends on which or what state are you going to or stay, but it's way cheaper to get a house there in the mainland than in Hawaii. So Hawaii is expensive. The cost of living, etc. It's expensive. So there you go, guys. So sometimes if I get bored, I just like sit here and like use this thing, our swivel chair, not swivel chair, what do you call, rocking chair. This is a rocking chair. So you know, just for fun, and I do this, whatever. Maybe I can like vlog something here, you know, like this, and then I have my coffee, or my Milo. I don't drink coffee anymore. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoy my house tour, our house tour, whatever. It's super quick because it's not that big. So I hope to see you again next time. Please don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home and be safe, everyone, and let's keep praying that this COVID-19 will end very soon. Let's just keep praying. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye.